In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and customize a separator inside the PixPlat editor. Step 1. Add the separator section. On the left panel, click Add Section. In the section list, find Separator. Click the Add icon. The separator will appear in your menu. By default, it is usually added at the bottom of the layout. Simply drag and place it in the section where you want it to appear. Step 2. Customize the separator. Now use the customization panel on the right. Start by choosing the separator color. Select a color from the palette. Use the color picker, or paste your brand color code. You can also adjust the opacity of the separator. If needed, you can disable the background color to keep the design clean and minimal. Step 3. Adjust the spacing. Finally, adjust the vertical spacing. This controls the space above and below the separator. Use the slider to create the spacing that fits your menu layout. Your separator is now applied.